What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, it feels so nice and cool here in Five Below. I'm heading back here to show you guys what's new for the week. I just finished filming a candy video for you guys. So if you guys haven't watched that yet, definitely look for that video. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this one up first or the candy video up, but that was a highly requested video. I showed 10 for $1 candy and I showed 4 for $1 candy. But let's look at some of these items that have just been marked down. Wow, you guys, $1.99 flip-flops. They're normally $3 each. And the straps feel pretty nice, not too flimsy. Same with the footbed. They're all just $1.99. These say Girl Power. These say Summer. We have the pretty tropical. The palm trees and the ombre colors. I really like that pair. $1.99 shoes over here. And these ones are so cute. Give Love. I really like this one with the peaches. I love these colors. We have rainbows. We have ice cream. We have Hello Summer. And yeah, you guys, it just turned summer. I know some of you, depending upon where you live, you probably feel like it's been summer forever. But technically, you guys, we just started summer. So you guys will be able to get these at a super cheap price and wear them all summer long and into fall. I think they recently added this one. This is my first time seeing this one. I really like the gray and the white too. I can totally see Birdy wearing this one. I want to show you guys this because the manager brought this to my attention, and this is super heavy and new, you guys. These are the Orb Oddities Dd Balls, and you guys have probably seen these in Walmart for $9.88. They're super heavy. They feel like they weigh about 3 to 5 pounds, and they're filled with like really pretty like confetti. And look at it, you guys. It says squeeze and splat. This is so huge. Can you guys see how big that is compared to my hand? Those are just $5, and those are brand new. I think I'm seeing some new items over here. Some new clothing items. These are like neonish, orangish bike shorts, and they're super silky and soft. Those are brand new. Let's see if there's anything else new on this table. I think these items have all been here except for this super cute cherry sports bra. It's like a workout bra. And it is padded. And then Babes Club is also new. And I totally forgot to show this to you guys last week, but this huge display here has a lot of new items. They've added all of these Dove moisturizing creams, and I think it's like a foamy cream. You guys let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this. It says it's 1/4 moisturizing cream, and this is in the flavor or the scent grapefruit and lemongrass. They also have cucumber and green tea. They have original. Let's see what this pink one is. The pink one is it raspberry? Oh, it's pomegranate and lemon verbena. Okay, that's another cucumber and green tea. This one isn't even a lotion. This is an antiperspirant, like a deodorant. Antiperspirant, or however you guys want to say it. It says tested on 100 colors, so if you want to wear it with a black shirt or a dark colored shirt, you're not going to get those streaks all over your shirt, and then you have to change your shirt and change your whole outfit. That is such a pain. But this is the last lotion. I totally thought that this was a lotion too, but it's not. So these are nice. I'm not sure how much these normally retail for in the stores, but I can tell you guys from experience, Dove tends to be a little pricey in most stores, like Walgreens, Target, Walmart. Dove is kind of pricey. They also have a $5 Palmer's lotion. This is 24-hour moisture, and you get 8.5 ounces. And they even added some Simply Venus razors for $3. How many razors do we get? 3 razors, and it has 2 blades. And then down here, these are brand new. And you guys, one thing I really like about the products here at Five Below, whether it's, you know, a variety of different brands that you see, or the Yeah brand, the You Are Amazing brand, everything that I've seen is sulfate free, paraben free, and cruelty free, which is really, really nice to know. This little set is, I think it's just $2. I'm pretty sure it's just $2. You get a lotion and a body spray. Again, that's coconut scented, and this is vanilla and rose scented. I bet Birdy would like that. She loves everything rose scented. And then this is so cute. They have a bigger bottle of the lotion, 10.1 ounces, and a body wash gel, a shower caddy, and a scrubby for $5. Again, that's in vanilla and rose. And they also have the coconut. These would make really nice birthday gifts, or if you want to save them up for Christmas gifts, or if you just want to get a little treat for yourself. I really want to smell this vanilla and rose. And then look, you guys, they also have for $5 the Clean and Clear Triple Clear Spot Control Daily Wash. This is oil free. It says it's UK's #1 clear skin brand. This is by Johnson & Johnson. It says it cleanses and helps to fight breakouts in 3 ways with aloe and mint. I think they're all the same scent. This JoJo is actually out of place. She's supposed to be over there by the makeup. I've never tried Clean and Clear, but it looks really nice. They also have these facial cleansing brushes for $5. It's supposed to be a microdermabrasion system, and it's silicone. And then we have some Freeman sets here. They're calling it Mask All Stars. Retails at $12.50. You get a mud mask, an applicator, and a clay mask. I think you get another one back there too. Yeah, you do. And then more from Freeman, you guys. They have the Cosmic Metallic Peel-Off Mask in Brightening Gold and also in Purifying Platinum. Is there one more? Oh, and Soothing Rose Gold. That's the one I would probably choose, Soothing Rose Gold, because my skin is kind of sensitive. And then they have some dry shampoo up here by Batiste in Original, and blush. Is there another one? And Cherry. Rated 4.6 out of 5. This is the most loved dry shampoo. And then we have some EOS shave cream for $5. JoJo, she's out of place. Let's go put her back where she belongs. This Freeman mask is also out of place. And they also have some chapstick packs for chapsticks for $3.99. Okay, you guys, let's head over here. This is the Yeah skincare line I was telling you about, the You Are Amazing skincare line, and they're also paraben free and sulfate free. Okay, you guys, let's see what else we have over here. Okay, we can put the clay mask back because this goes over here. Ooh, I love this one so much, you guys. I have it at home. This is the clay mask and scrub. We have this clay mask and cleanser in Manuka Honey and Tea Tree. This is apple cider vinegar. We have Dead Sea Minerals. This one looks new to me. The Pomegranate Body Sugar Scrub. We have Glacier Water and Pink Peony. Love the packaging. This is a gel cream mask. And then we have some of these that they were marketing also for the guys, the mud masks and charcoal and black sugar, and also the charcoal and black sugar gel mask, and then the clay mask in Whiskey Rye. Freeman even has foot lotion, you guys, and I have been wearing this one every night and I love it. It smells so nice. It's an overnight foot treatment and it makes your hands and your feet feel amazing. It smells so, so nice. The scent is marula oil and cocoa butter. Here's some more of the little mask sets down here. and the $5 electronic facial brushes. I think this is such a great deal. I know you guys want to see jewelry too. You guys have been requesting to see a lot of things lately, and I'm going to try to fit it all in. Let's do a little sneak peek over here. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys, do you remember my video from last week? They have the Juicy Couture brushes. They're still here. This is the 7-piece brush set by Juicy Couture. They're still here, you guys, and guess what? They also have this manicure set by Juicy Couture. And don't forget about this beautiful set with the rhinestones. Those are so nice. And these aren't by Juicy Couture, but I really, really love the bristles. I think they look super, super cute. I'm just so impressed, you guys, with all the new things they've been adding. Don't forget about the new Marilyn Monroe makeup brushes and the diamond carrying case. And they also have some Marilyn Monroe beauty blenders over here. Another thing I was impressed with last week was the Kimberly Sweet Cherry. And this is a dupe for Kimoji Cherry by Kim Kardashian. Let's see what else we have over here that might be new. Oh, we have a sample of the Guest Supreme now. I really wanted to smell this. This is what the bottle looks like. This is a men's scent. So let's smell it. That smells really nice. I actually really like that. Gator would probably like it too. It's really strong, but I actually like really strong scents. Like a little bit of that goes a long way. And I wanted to mention to you guys that this dupe for Kimoji is actually an eau de parfum. It is not an eau de toilette, which means it should last a little longer. This is very strong. Like I squirted it, what, 2 times? This has to be one of the strongest, nicest men's colognes that I've smelled back here. I think those are the only 2 that are new. Let's see if we have any new makeup, and if we don't, we'll go right over to jewelry. Oh, this is definitely new. The Rise and Prime. This is a primer for $3, and it looks like you get a nice big size of primer. Now the primer, to those of you that aren't familiar with it and what it does, a primer is something that you would put on prior to putting on your foundation. It kind of makes your foundation last a little longer. They also added this setting spray. So when you're done with your makeup and your concealer and everything, your setting spray will kind of hold it in place. Look at this Hollow Glam palette, you guys. It's just $4. We get the color Halo, Rose Quartz, Enchanted, and Golden Hour. And these colors are just really, really pretty. I think this palette down here is also brand new by Beauty Treats. Look at this, you guys. Day to Night palette. The glitters are really pretty. These are some really nice colors.
Why?
Okay, so we have this new, this, the Hollow Glam, the Modern Glitz. I found more new makeup, you guys. This LA Lights Eye and Face palette includes highlighter, contour, and eyeshadow, and the colors are really pretty. And then this one over here is also brand new. They have glitters and some brighter colors that are really, really pretty. I like the pinks. I like the yellows. Oh, this sort of reddish color. So nice. Okay, so we have new makeup for the week, you guys. These are $4 by LA Colors. This is my first time seeing LA Color fashion nails in here. This is such a pretty, like, tan or brown color. And also the shorter nails for $4. Those are new. $3 for these. I think these are new. These have been here. I think this pair might be new. This set for $5. Okay, you guys, let's head on over to the jewelry. You guys have been asking to see jewelry. I think they have new scrunchies too. New scrunchies for, I want to say these are $3. Yeah, these are $3, and it's a 3-pack. The scrunchies are new. Okay, they have some chokers. These are $5. I think all of these are 5-packs. I thought some of them were 3-packs, but no, these are all 5-packs. 6 earrings for $3. Little roses, the hoops, the little hanging down earrings, the cute little rings. Those are so cute. These I think are new for $3. Bestie Keychains, look you guys, for $3. Give me the cactus one. My bestie can have the alpaca. Best friend. That's a nice sound, isn't it? Some new little keychains. These are also $3. And the cards of earrings are $5. These are so cute, little heels, little iridescent stones, pearls. I always love the tiny little roses. I think they're so cute. This one might be new, but it's actually missing one. Oh no. I think this one is new also. Cute little clouds, the roses again, the hearts, the moons. $3 for these rings. I like the little blue heart. These earrings are $3. I like that one, that white one. And I think that's it for the jewelry, you guys. They've added these keychains though. Amethyst, turquoise, rose quartz, and clear quartz. Maybe these ones were here, but this is definitely my first time seeing the amethyst. And again, those are $3. They've also added this bag for $5. It's kind of crinkly. The gold and the jeans. Oh, and look you guys, they're starting to put some backpacks out for back to school. This one is definitely new for $5. The cheetah, the snake. Let's see if there's any other new ones over here. I think just the cheetah and the snake so far. This peach and green one might be new also. Well, hey guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. If you guys enjoyed coming along, show me lots of love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.